It's showtime.
Hello, loves. Your girl is back finally with her yearly post. Now, I'm actually hoping to have something else posted before 2021, but you guys know how that goes. This video here was 2 years in the making. But as promised, this is a deep conditioning mask that I use in my hair every 2 weeks. As far as the oils are concerned, you all should be pretty familiar with them. Rather than sitting directly on top of the hair, the majority of the oils used are actually able to penetrate the hair shaft, which allows for optimal moisture. As far as the aloe vera and the banana are concerned, both of these are very rich in nutrients and are beneficial to the health of the scalp, so that's obviously why they were incorporated. Now, as you guys can see here, I am blending the two out, and in order to do so, I use coconut milk. Why I use coconut milk? Well, because it's very rich in protein, which can definitely help to strengthen the hair. So, quick disclaimer before I continue. I use the same measuring cup throughout the video, so anything that you all see measured is going to be 1/4 of a cup. But either way, as you guys can see here, I'm straining the banana and aloe vera mixture into the deep conditioning mask because nobody wants pulp in their hair. Like, it's the worst to get out. So make sure that you strain this into the mask. But as you guys can see here, after the aloe vera and banana is added, I then add the oils. And for the purpose of this video, let's just pretend that the avocado oil was 1/4 of a cup. Didn't realize I was running out. So the majority of this video is pretty self-explanatory, so I'm going to shut up and let y'all ride out to this copyright-free music, and then I'll return when my presence is warranted. One thing that I did neglect to mention is that you all can use a deep conditioner of your choice. Now, I personally recommend Camille Rose because I absolutely love her ingredients, and honestly, her products just work very well with my hair. Also, another bonus, people, is that when you use her deep conditioner, once all the ingredients are added, it actually stretches into 2 servings. So in 2 weeks, you don't have to worry about making another mask because you'll already have one stored in the fridge. I mean, it works great, especially for lazy people like myself. But anyways, as you guys can see, once you section the hair, you're going to want to further section the section into a mini section, you dig? And make sure you apply a generous amount from the rooty to the sooty. Pay very close attention to those ends because they are the oldest part of the hair and they need extra loving. To get optimal results, I do recommend steaming with the conditioner. If you don't own a steamer, what you can do is you can heat up a damp towel in the microwave as hot as you can tolerate it, and then put a plastic cap over your head and put the damp towel on top of that. I hope that made sense. If it doesn't, you can leave me a comment and I can upload a video of exactly what I mean. Either way, once all the conditioner is in your hair, just make sure you position your ends on the top of your head so that they have access to the steam as well.
20 minutes later.
So I spent about 20 to 30 minutes under the steamer depending, and this is the result. I am up close, ugly, and personal. Oh my goodness, don't pay attention to my face. But I wish you guys could reach through the computer or phone, whatever you're on, and feel my hair. Oh my gosh, so moisturized. Either way, I do hope you guys enjoyed the video, and as always, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time.